For each creative work, whether it's a blog, video, social post, sales page, squeeze page, email, ad, text message, or even a complete ebook, they all have one thing in common. They all need copy. As an experienced seven-figure copywriter, I know how hard it is to find new angles for content that serves different purposes. Whether it's to get more followers, leads, or even converting those leads into sales, hiring an experienced copywriter is expensive, and then waiting for the copy to be written is painstakingly hard because you needed it yesterday, right? Now you can try doing it yourself, but this is hard if you don't have a proven and successful framework to operate from. And then there's an occasional writer's block. So isn't there a better solution for inexperienced copywriters to write some quality copy on a budget to get more followers, leads, and sales? Well, we've been working really hard to make this a reality. Introducing KlickXCopy, your personal copywriting assistant powered by proven copywriting frameworks and artificial intelligence. All you need to do is select the type of content you want to create and type in a couple of keywords. Yes, it's that simple. Actually, most of the page you see below has been created using the power of KlickXCopy. To write the best copy that will sell, we suggest you first use the following proven frameworks: the AIDA framework for high converting sales copy and the PAS framework for effective copy in a proven chronology. Once you've gotten your initial framework copy, you get to work on your product features and turn them into effective benefits and add powerful bullet points to showcase the best that your product or service has to offer. Make sure you watch the demo below. Now, KlickXCopy doesn't stop there. Other than copy that sells, the XCopy AI creates quality, engaging content for your viral videos and posts on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms you want to share content on and grow your followers and leads. Everyone knows that if you want to grow your followers, you need to post 2 or 3 videos per day on TikTok, Facebook stories, and YouTube shorts. Where do you find all that content to create that copy? KlickXCopy is the answer. I hear you say, but I need copy for e-commerce. No problem. KlickXCopy has you covered with automatically generated product descriptions, headlines, and reviews. You want to write some ad copy for your favorite ad platforms also? No problem. Our ads module will provide you tons of copy options based on your product or service descriptions and your best keywords. Want to write copy for your website, blogs, or even a text message? Also no problem. We've got you covered for any niche imaginable. You'll be able to write your content in minutes and get your message out there in more quantity, quality, and faster than ever before. Growing your followers, leads, and clients will never be easier using the simple-to-use copywriting assistant that will be at your disposal 24/7. No more paying expensive copywriters, waiting for your copy, spending days writing your copy, being concerned with writer's block, wondering what your next video blog will be about, or copy that doesn't sell. And the best thing? We've added commercial rights for you as well, so you can start writing copy for other people. Simply add your service to Fiverr or Freelancer, and you'll be set up to bank on your new skills. KlickXCopy comes with powerful integrations. Integrate an autoresponder to import your copy and send out emails that people will click and open. And did I mention that you can convert all your copy that you create inside KlickXCopy into 106 different languages? Amazing, right? Now there is a catch. We're only launching this app for an early bird price during a couple of days, and then we'll be increasing the price each day until the early bird launch ends. We're also adding some amazing bonuses that will quadruple the value that you can get during this launch. Now, these bonuses are only available until this launch ends, so make sure you get it before they disappear. So click that button, 10x your sales, and write quality copy today with KlickXCopy. I'll see you on the other side.
Welcome to this demo video of KlickXCopy. Now, KlickXCopy is going to assist you with anything you do online, okay? From growing your followers to creating your info products, to creating your sales pages, your sales videos, your email sequences, ad copy, and you can even create your own business, starting your copywriting agency, okay? We'll just go through a couple of these elements on the XCopy AI just to show you how easy this is going to be for you. So when you start on the dashboard where you can see your sales funnel copy, your email sequences, your saved XCopy AI content, and your tokens. Okay, so it has the demo video on here, but we want to create some copy, right? So we want to grow our followers. And the first thing that we do is, you can see here the green button. You can go to basic copy, sales driven copy, or blogs, or you can go in here on the menu. You see a couple of more items that you can use here. But at this moment, we want to grow our followers, right? We want to do a viral video. So let's choose a TikTok video script, and we go here. Let's talk about dog training, and then we're going to talk about how to train your dog to listen. Okay, here we go. And then the only thing that you do is you click on generate copy. You wait a couple of seconds, and then once it is generated, here we go. We can scroll down and we can see a video. And that was what we can add to the editor. It's a small video, it's a TikTok video, right? Just up to a minute. And you've got a video created. So now we've created the video on TikTok. We don't have to add an image on TikTok. You can. But for example, if you do that on Facebook, you can say, hey, I want to add a image of a dog, right? Like this cute dog. There we go. And then we can add a picture here. And here's the source. And then save. Maybe it's a little bit too big. So let's do 400. Save, right? And you've got an image that you can use with your video or with your blog post, right? Wherever you want to post that. So now I've shown you that you can grow your videos with writing copy for your posts, for your reels, for your short stories, blog posts, right? And for your videos. Now, how do we create an info product? For example, a ebook or a challenge, right? Because we want to sell our followers a product, right? And the best thing is to create a digital product. So what I suggest you do is you go into KlickXCopy AI and you start with working on some bullet points, okay? So you go to basic copy and you see here powerful bullet points because you need a structure for your ebook, right? You need a structure for your course. So let's go here. Okay, we're gonna run a challenge. Okay, we're gonna do a challenge, and it's a 5-day program to write best copy, for example. And then we generate the bullet points, because from the bullet points we get ideas of what to put in the book, right? And you can see how fast that is. Now let's add that to the editor. So we've already got an outline of the book, right? So the next thing we do is we just grab these chapter heads and we'll go to the blog post, right? Because chapters can just be a blog post. So let's say we go into the blog post and we already know what we're going to talk about. Understand basic copywriting, right? This is going to be copywriting. And we generate copy. Here we go. We got some copy here. We can add that to the editor and it can say, these are the elements that you want to use, or these are the basics for great copywriting, right? Now, if you're not too happy with the first suggestion that the system gives, just click on generate copy again and you'll get another alternative. Okay, it's generating another alternative. Here, there's much more text you can use in your ebook, right? You can just copy and add this to the editor. It'll just add the copy underneath what you've already generated. And then from here, you've got your first chapter. So it's very easy, guys, to create a course or an ebook using the power of KlickXCopy AI. Okay, so what's the next thing that we can do? Okay, so the next thing is that you want to obviously create a sales page, because in order to sell your product, your ebook, your course, you need a sales page and need sales videos. Okay, sales pages and sales videos both use proven copywriting sales frameworks like IDA and PAS. In order for doing that, let's go to basic copywriting. Probably already saw it. You got this IDA system, which is attention, create attention, then generate interest, then generate desire, and then have a call to action. Okay, that's the framework that is applied here. And then you also have the framework PAS, which is problem, agitate, and then solution. Okay, these frameworks are really proven to sell. So let's say I want to use the IDA framework. I just want to have kind of a structure in which to write my sales page on. Okay, so let's say, because Kimberly is a realtor, we want to talk about selling houses, right? And then how to sell your house for top dollar. Okay, let's generate some copy in the IDA framework. And there we go. So this has applied the IDA framework, which is, are you looking to sell your house, right? So that's basically grabbing attention. And then KimberlySalesUT.com is here to help. And then we create desire, right? So we'll guide you through the process. So we're going to make it very easy for you. We'll help you with the right mortgage lender, with the home insurance, etc., etc. So why wait? And then you get the call to action. Okay. Now, obviously, you can create a lot longer sales page. You would want to do that, and that works the same with the ebook. You create the chapters. Let's use this. That's how a real estate agent gets your house ready for sale. Selling your house. And here is what the whole process that you can go through of what a real estate agent does, right? It's get your house ready for sale, price your home correctly, negotiate the offer. I mean, I don't have to do the thinking work, right? You can see how much time this will save in order to create a sales page. Let's add this to the editor, and then you have this section, right? The real estate agent gets your house ready for sale. And then we've got the other section, how do we stage your home? And then we've got another section, which is how to price your home. Before you know it, I've got a whole website done, right? So if we look at the original website of Kimberly, it's very much like that, right? But if you look at the menu items, okay, for sellers, what do we do for sellers? Well, we stage your home, we do professional photography, etc., etc., right? A lot of think work had to go into this to create it, and here is what we have already done for you. Okay, so now we've attracted the followers, we've pulled them to a sales page, we've created an info product, and with the sales page, sales videos, which is like the sales page, we can now sell products, okay? Then you want to create some email sequences. Okay, so let's go here and let's go to email copy. I want to write some email copy, right? I want to have an email subject line. I want to have a cold email created, or a launch email. Okay, so let's say this is a cold email, and this email is about I want to attract them to a new service. So for example, I've got a lender, right? I'm working together with a mortgage broker. And I want to talk about the benefits of a mortgage. There we go. So now I've created an email already. Hey, if you're looking for a low interest on your mortgage, right? Blah, blah, blah. Here, I've got the emails ready to go. I just copy this and put it in my autoresponder or your email platform, whatever you're going to use. So I can sell multiple products. Now, in this case, I'm the realtor, I'm not selling, but I am promoting this for a friend, right? So for my mortgage broker, and there is where I can get benefits, right? I may not have a commission from him, but he may co-sponsor me on some ads. So that's how I can generate value just by writing these emails, okay? And you can understand, you can also do affiliate offers and things like that, right? So you can generate more sales by creating these emails and email sequences. Now, the next thing we want to do is, if we don't have traffic from growing our followers, we want to do some ad copy. Okay, so let's generate some ad copy. Ad copy right here, and we want to run a ad on Facebook. And on the ad of Facebook, we are going to talk about, we want buyers for our listing. Okay. Beautiful lot plus villa. There we go. We've got looking for a luxurious and private home. Look no further. This house for sale, perfect. This house for sale is perfect for those who want to live in style, etc., etc. Right? So we've already got our ad copy, guys. Call today to schedule your tour. That's amazing. We just put a picture of a house there, right? A villa. It'll drop us a villa here, right? So let's copy this link in here. We can make it, let's say 500, and there we go, right? We've got our ad already set, and we can save the copy and give it a name. So now we've created our ad copy so that we can send more traffic to our sales pages and sell our info products, right? So everything that you need to run a business online, you can do with KlickXCopy. All right, you can start your own copywriting agency, and you can have all the text, all the copy written for you. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. We've got in the basic copywriting, we've got AIDA, PAS. We talked about that. We can translate features into benefits. So for example, if you go into features, then it generates your copy in order to translate it. This feature of easy to use, what's the benefit of that, right? It makes it easy to get work done, right? It provides all the features so that you don't miss out on data. This is the benefit and this is the feature, right? So that's what the product does for you. What else do we have? Basic copywriting again. We got the bullet points. We've already looked at that. Got the value proposition, which is just generate catchy and enticing value proposition. We've got content improver, right? If you've got some content already and you want to improve the readability, you can put that in here and then generate that to have it easy to read. Okay, I already showed you the ad copy. You can do that for different ad platforms. You can generate social media content, tweet ideas, Instagram caption ideas, LinkedIn posts, YouTube video descriptions, and YouTube video topic IDs. You can generate that from here. What else can you do? You can create copy for e-commerce. Yes, e-commerce. For example, an Amazon product description or an Amazon product bullet points. If you're in e-commerce, this is something that you will definitely need every time you create a product online that you want to sell through these platforms. What else? We've got website content, right? So we talked about a sales page. If you want to have a landing page where people land and want to leave your email in there, okay? How to manage diabetes for you. Okay, here's your landing page copy. Just add it to the editor and change out if you want to change anything out. Put some more branding in here about what your company is about, and then say, hey, click here to go to the website, right? And leave your data. So that's your landing page copy. What else do we have? We have SMS. If you want to send an SMS, obviously these are very small copies, but if you want to do a promotional SMS, you can use same keywords again here. Email copy we talked about the blogs, and we talked about the viral videos. You can see that everything that you will need online you've got in the XCopy AI tool. All right, so make sure you grab a copy for yourself. It's a one-time free just during this launch, and I'll see you on the other side.